What's up guys? Today we're going to replace the air filter in the 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord. Now this is a really easy job, no tools required. It's a 1 out of 5 on the ForNoobs difficulty scale. That means even my mom could do it, so let's get right into it. Okay, so our airbox is right here behind the battery on the driver's side, and there's 3 clips holding the airbox in. 2 here in the front, we just pull down to release them. 1, 2, and our third one is back here in this corner right here. Pull down. Okay, so now we can detach the top of this airbox, but there's 2 tabs here in the back holding it in. So basically we're going to want to lift and pull forward towards the front of the car. So lift a little bit and pull in this direction, and that's going to detach the top of the airbox. Okay, now the top of the airbox is loose and we don't need to touch any of this, but this rubber here is flexible, so we can compress that to let us lift the top of the airbox up above here. Now we can get to our air filter and pull it out easily. Alright, so if you need to replace your air filter, link will be in the description below, but because it's so easy, I like to just check it about once a year. And you can see this one's still pretty clean. You can still see through it when holding it up to the light. So I'm just going to put this one back in. And due to the shape, it's only going to fit in one direction. So we're going to slide it in and then compress this again. So squeeze that so we can get the top of this airbox down there. And remember the 2 tabs we have here in the back. So we're going to want to push down and then slide it in that direction. Make sure we've got those 2 tabs engaged in those brackets there in the back, like that. Okay, and then we're just going to do our 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. We've replaced the air filter in our Honda Accord. Hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.